we're going to fix this up here. Last piece of the walls before we can raise them. If I take a look over here, again we have to do a little bit of architecture, and we're looking in this area right here. We need to put a closet wall in, because that's required by code. If it's a bedroom, it has to have a closet. And we have to put this little hallway in, this little opening right here, and this little hallway with these two door areas. Now we're going to put 3-0 doors in these bedrooms. I like to put big doors in the bedrooms because if you want to get a king-size bed through there and some of that bedroom furniture, a 3-foot door really does help that. So we're going to talk a little bit about door design and how that works and to get this part in. So let's start out with this bedroom here. Closet depth. So we're going to come in here and we're going to put this closet in. Closets are 24 inches deep for clothes. So I'm just going to do a move. Grab this line, tap the control key, come straight out and type 24. Grab this line, tap the control key, and move this 3.5. Because that's just a 3.5 inch door. Now this, we're going to put a 3-0 door right here coming into the room. So that means it's going to be a 3-foot door slab. So I'm going to move this wall. And I want to give myself a little bit of room there. So I'm going to go 3 foot 4 inches. That'll give me some room for trim on the floor, but it'll give me as much closet space as possible. Tap the control key again and go 3.5 again. And now I can do my little bit of cleanup with my eraser. And there's that closet door. Okay? Next spot, this closet up here. Super simple. Looking right here, it's just a wall straight across. Pretty simple here. So that we're going to do a tap the control key, 24 inch deep again, or so 2 foot. Tap the control key, 3.5. Use my eraser and clear that out. Now again, we talked about, we're going to do a little bit of work here. So we got to figure out this hallway. Really, the biggest thing we got to figure out on this hallway is this doorway right here. Where does this doorway go so that we can figure out where this wall goes? Well, all doorways, you want at least 3 inches off your wall here. Because you need to get a king stud and a trimmer stud, if you remember from our actual design, how we draw the scale. We need a trimmer stud and a king stud in there. Trimmer stud and a king stud in here. So we want it to be at least 3 inches off. Okay? And this is going to be a 3-0 door. So 3 inches plus 3 feet plus 3 inches is giving us 3 feet 6 inches. So I'm going to go back here. Here's my hallway. I'm going to do the move tool. Tap control. 3 feet 6 inches. And then I can use the move, click on this end point, and I can just click it to here. So I clean that up. So now I got my room for my 3-0 door there. Click move again, tap the control key, move it straight up, 3.5 inches. And then I'm going to take the eraser and erase out. Now if I take a peek, again what this looks like, so there's a little corner here and it goes in. Just perfect, exactly what I have. I just have to fix this stuff up. So I'm going to use the move tool, grab this end point, bring it up. But if you see what it did with it, messed that up a little bit. So this is where it'd be really nice to have a fillet command. We don't in SketchUp. So I'm just going to have to draw lines and erase that out. So now I have that little hallway going into the bathroom, going into the bedroom, and I have my 2 closets done. And now our next one, we get to raise the roof here, or raise all the walls up.